to Unit 3 of ECO 180, Citizens, Energy, and Sustainability. Over the next 4 weeks, you will be learning about sustainable transportation and heating options. In Unit 1, you learned about what energy is, about primary energy trends, and how to define and measure energy sustainability. In Unit 2, we divided primary energy use into 3 main categories: electricity, transportation, and heating, and focused on how to make the electricity sector more sustainable. In Unit 3, we will focus on how to make the transportation and heating sectors more sustainable. Sometimes these sectors will intersect. For example, in Week 10, we will discuss how electric vehicles are one option for changing the transportation sector to be more sustainable. If more and more electric vehicles are adopted, this will greatly influence the electricity sector as well. Similarly, in Week 11, we will discuss how electric heat pumps could replace some traditional heating options, which would cause changes in the heating sector to affect the electricity sector, and vice versa. Remember from Unit 1, primary energy is energy in the form that is first accounted for in a statistical energy balance, before any transformation to secondary or tertiary forms of energy. Secondary energy sources are also referred to as energy carriers because they move energy in a usable form from one place to another. Transportation technologies convert primary energy sources like petroleum products and natural gas to usable energy for motion. Some possible alternative transportation technologies, like hydrogen fuel cell vehicles and electric vehicles, use a secondary energy source or energy carrier to achieve this goal. The sustainability of these alternatives depends not only on the new technology, but also on the primary energy source that was used to get the hydrogen or electricity. Unit 3 consists of 4 weekly lessons and a unit exam after Week 11. You can access the material for each week by clicking on the links within Unit 3 or by clicking directly on the links in the left-hand menu of your screen. The unit exam will be available for 4 days from Thursday, April 10th at 8 a.m. until Sunday, April 13th at 11:59 p.m. and will consist of 20 multiple-choice questions. You will have 1.5 hours to complete the exam once you begin. There are 5 assignments for Unit 3, including the end of unit exam. There are 4 discussion assignments, 1 for each week. Keep in mind that each discussion assignment has 3 parts. 1, at least 2 individual postings to your group forum to help create the group posting. 2, the final group posting. And 3, at least 1 individual posting to your partner group, the cross-group posting. The deadlines for the group postings are summarized here and on the Unit 3 webpage. Individual postings leading to the group posting are due during the days leading up to these deadlines. Individual postings to the partner group for the cross-group assignments are due on the Tuesdays after the collaborative group response postings are due. Please remember that the cross-group posting for Assignment 8 from Unit 2 is due on the Tuesday after spring break, March 18th. Exam 3 will be available starting Thursday, April 10th at 8 a.m. and will be due Sunday, April 13th at 11:59 p.m. See the grading procedures in the syllabus, instructions in the discussion menu, and/or the course walkthrough video for more information about these assignments. During Week 8, you will learn what the transportation system is and how we assess its sustainability. In Week 9, we will compare sustainability indicators for conventional transportation options, such as gasoline and diesel-powered vehicles, since these are the 2 options that use most of the energy and produce most of the emissions in the transportation system. In Week 10, we will compare sustainability indicators for alternative transportation options, such as alternative fuels for conventional modes of transportation, i.e. biofuels, electric cars, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, as well as alternative modes of transportation, like public transit, walking, or bicycling, and also transportation energy efficiency and conservation options. In Week 11, we will compare sustainability indicators for conventional and alternative heating options, including fossil fuel-fired space and water heating options, as well as renewable energy efficiency and conservation options. By the end of Unit 3, you will be able to understand and explain these key ideas, providing a firm foundation for understanding transportation and heating issues and making informed choices as a consumer. To begin exploring these topics, click on Unit 3 on the left-hand side of your screen, or click on each individual week at the same location or within the Unit 3 introduction screen.